Hi, welcome everyone to the Chef YouTube channel. Today we are going to make Nutella and chocolate cookies. Let's see the ingredients. These are the ingredients I will explain you. Unsalted butter, brown sugar, an egg, vanilla essence, salt, baking powder, Nutella frozen, cocoa powder and flour. First we have mixed brown sugar and butter. So now I'm going to add the eggs slowly. You need to beat until brown sugar melting. If you see brown sugar and butter if stick in the bowl, you need to use a spatula and you can check now sugar melt already, so you can add now flour, baking powder and cocoa powder. Stop. Salt. Here we already fall cocoa powder, flour and baking powder. So we are going to mix all together now. At last I will add vanilla essence. I'm going to show you how to stuff the Nutella. Let's go. We are going to bake the Nutella cookies now. Eight minute 175 Celsius and humidity 50%. So you can do it in your homes. Don't think about humidity. Normal oven you can use all. It's ready. So we are going to test. Wow, look how delicious. Looks so beautiful. Wow, very nice. Very delicious.